Hello, I'm Angela Daymond and I'm going to talk to you about a technique that I call Big Stitch Quilting. It's quite popular at the moment as more and more people are finding hand stitching to be really therapeutic and really relaxing to do. That Big Stitch Quilting primarily uses these two threads. It uses a number 12 weight and this is a number 8 weight. And this is a quilt that I've made using half square triangle blocks, and the way I've designed this is so I've got large areas of white to quilt into. Sometimes if I'm travelling I don't have a hoop, so I'm going to demonstrate to you now how I would hold the quilt if I don't have this hoop. So I'm just going to loosen the hoop and take it off. So I'm going to take off the top ring and I'm going to slide the bottom ring out.